just picked up the sprint exhaust, look at the back. Now, it's ripping on the way home. So I just bought a Spoon full system, Spoon muffler, Spoon B-pipe. I just took out my 5 Ziggin muffler. I think I broke it. Push this off.
Push that up.
Drop that. Yeah, yeah.
Got it.
Yeah, got it. Fuck yeah. Fuck it, I don't give a fuck. Yeah. That's it?
So you gonna say anything or?
In that bed with the Tulia, in that bed with the Tulia, boy hit me on my FaceTime. The best feature out the Big Apple since
Yeah.
It looks like it literally does nothing.
That makes no sense, huh?
That's a lot.
It's a good fit, Dan.
Yeah, perfect. Fuck off. All homeless right now.
So it's been 2 months since the last video. Yeah, my exhaust wasn't compatible with the test pipe that I was given. You will need a JDM, cat and headers. So Dad packed up a test pipe. It was ghetto as, and I ran that for a few days. After those few days, I decided to get a high flow cat, Hunter Cell, and I pretty much got ripped off for that one. So that weekend, after I got that high flow cat, I got pulled over by Highway Patrol for booting it. Yeah, they came out of nowhere, past all my mates, and I shot myself. They just pulled me over. So I got done for EPA notice, so I'm getting that notice in the mail. And they got me for my P plates not being visible. I lost 3 demerits and a $200 fine, but I'm fighting that. Overall, the exhaust drones so much, it gave me a headache. First week I had to take a Panadol.
I fucking love my life.
I don't think it should be like that. Here's some random clips of the pools and stuff, and the Honda meet that I attended last week, but the footage turned out bad.
How in the fuck are you about to say? The way that we do it, it's not the way. No, don't you sweat it, you not in the way. Nothing you do could be in my day. Cash is fuck on my bed, I lay. Look at the ceiling, it fade away. Stressing and checking on me for a blessing, but I can hear nothing, I'm gone for the day. Sure you can afford that, I get it. Looking like a bum, only think I'm holding pennies. Pull out your mortgage, just spend it in a minute. Take it how you wanna, get mad when you get it. Blame everyone around you for the money you ain't getting. Boy, man, up to the life you ain't living. Times I get chillin' sometimes, I'm forgiving my minds on the rhythm, so don't fuck up when I see you.